Erik Boston und sein Titel heißt Premiere im Fernsehen, Please Don't Go Now.
Sorry for all the pain, my honesty's the proof. It's things that we can control, fights that we cannot win. The courage your heart now shows makes me stop and think. Please don't go now until you're really sure. You stand alone. You wait till I've had enough and hope that I'll come home. Love can bless, or love can take. No, love can be much more. I can guess each time we break, we're stronger than before. Please don't go now until you're really sure. Please don't go now. I've heard those words before. Please don't go now. It's still the same. You look at me and say, don't you know that I know you won't go. Don't go now until you're really sure. Please don't go now. I've heard these words before. Please don't go now. It's still the same. Don't go.
Please Don't Go Now, produziert von Nino Siciliano. Hier die Fernsehpremiere von Erik Boston. Toi, toi, toi.